Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the benefits of drinking coffee. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Benefits of drinking coffee. Coffee is one of the most popular beverages worldwide. It is enjoyed by millions of people for various reasons. Here are some potential benefits of drinking coffee. Number 1. Increase energy and alertness. Coffee contains caffeine, a natural stimulant that can help improve alertness, concentration, and overall mental function. It works by blocking the action of adenosine, a neurotransmitter that promotes sleep and relaxation. Number 2. Improve physical performance. Caffeine increases adrenaline levels in the body, which can enhance physical performance. It stimulates the release of fatty acids from the fat tissues, making them available for use as energy. Number 3. Rich in antioxidants. Coffee is a significant source of antioxidants which help the body fight inflammation and oxidative stress. Antioxidants can contribute to overall health and may reduce the risk of certain diseases. Number 4, protective effects on the brain. Some studies suggest that coffee consumption may be associated with a lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Caffeine may also improve various aspects of brain function, including mood, reaction time, and general cognitive function. Number 5, reduced risk of certain diseases. Regular coffee consumption has been linked to a lower risk of certain diseases, including type 2 diabetes, stroke, and some types of cancer. The antioxidants and other bioactive compounds in coffee may contribute to these protective effects. Number 6, we have here liver health. Coffee may have protective effects on the liver. It has been associated with a lower risk of liver diseases, including liver cirrhosis and cancer. Caffeine and other compounds in coffee may play a role in promoting liver health. Number 7, social and enjoyment aspects. Coffee is often enjoyed in social settings and can contribute to a sense of community. The act of having coffee with friends or colleagues can be a positive social experience. Number 8, potential weight loss aid. Caffeine is a common ingredient in many weight loss supplements due to its ability to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. However, the effects can vary among individuals. Number 9, low risk of depression and suicide. Some studies suggest that regular coffee consumption may be associated with a lower risk of depression and reduce risk of suicide. And lastly, we have here longevity. Some observational studies have suggested that coffee drinkers may have a lower risk of premature death, although the exact reason for this associated are not fully understood. It's important to note that individual responses to coffee can vary, and excessive consumption may lead to negative effects such as insomnia, increased heart rate, or digi digestive tissues. Additionally, the benefits can depend on factors like the type of coffee, brewing method, and other lifestyle. It's always a good idea to enjoy coffee in moderation as part of a balanced and healthy diet. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the benefits of drinking coffee. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.